Hello guys, good morning again. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Tanga Vignesh and I'm a travel vlogger. So right now my next destination is Shimla, and then to Spiti Valley from Shimla. So I have a bad habit of leaving at the last minute, so I'm all sweaty and that's what happens all the time with me. So this is my luggage, one carry-on bag and one check-in bag. So it's important to wear a mask wherever you go, but since I'm inside my private vehicle, for now I'm recording this video, so I'm not wearing the mask. But the current lockdown news is that even if you are in a private vehicle and if you're traveling anywhere, it's necessary to wear a mask. Anyways, so right now I'm off to Madurai airport. From there I'm gonna catch a flight. I have a connecting flight which travels to Mumbai, and from Mumbai to New Delhi. So I will reach New Delhi at around 7 p.m. So the flight time is approximately 5 hours and 20 minutes. Let's hope I reach there on time, because from there I have a bus to Shimla at night at around 10:30 p.m. So I need to be there on time for the bus as well. So guys, I have reached the Madurai airport. ஆமா, இங்கதான் டிபார்ச்சர்.
துபாய் இந்த மாதிரி போட்டிருக்கு.
இங்க என்ன போட்டிருக்கு? இந்த போட்டுக்கலாம் மும்பை 140. Okay, I will go inside the airport. Okay, so I'm just seated inside the airport. It's an Indigo Airlines flight, and they have given me this emergency seat with extra leg room. It's very comfortably, free of charge, but it's an emergency seat. I hope there is no emergency. Baby's crying. So this is the situation here. I have to wear this face shield and a mask. So guys, it seems that the flight is only half full, so I got all these 2 seats to myself. I'm so lucky. Due to the lockdown, I think so many people are not traveling. Yeah, almost ready for departure. I just had a chicken puff right now, and I have a chicken tikka sandwich as well, which I will eat while on the flight. I got the neck pillow. Yeah, right now I'm packing up and ready for departure. Hi guys, so right now I'm on the bus at Delhi Majnu Ka Tilla bus stop, and from here I'm going to Shimla. Actually the bus time was 10:30 p.m. but the bus operator, he called me and he told me that the bus will be leaving Delhi early because of the curfew reasons. There is a curfew which has been announced by the Delhi local government to close shops by 10 p.m. today, and the curfew will last for 6 days till April 26th. Okay, so I'm just sitting in the bus stop. I think this is the last bus stop, or maybe there is one more bus stop. I don't know. I'm not sure. just stopped for a while for dinner. So क्या बना रहे हो भाई? So I'm going to find a place to sit and have some good dinner. Thank God they stopped here. All the dhabas in Delhi, they were closed. So this is the dal makhani. Let's try it just like that. It's a bit hot. It's very good. You know what the problem is? The place is filled with mosquitoes. I don't know how so many mosquitoes are just roaming around. I hope nothing falls in my food. Anyways, waiting for the rice and the roti. The place is filled with mosquitoes. I've never eaten mosquitoes in my life. I hope today that does not happen. I'm happy to get food at this time right now. Actually, I was pretty hungry and I wasn't getting any sleep in the bus, and I really needed to use the restroom. So I just went to the restroom and I came back and I ordered some food. My bus is just standing right there, and I hope there is some time for the bus to depart from here. Very beautiful. Look at all the mountains, the hills. Wow. Mountains everywhere. Till your eyes can catch. As long as your eyes can catch. So, actually I think I'll be staying in Shimla for a while. For at least half a day. To refresh and then sleep for a while, because I didn't have any sleep last night, not much. I think I just slept for like 3 or 4 hours last night. So I was just looking for some places online. I think I found a place, so let me go there and I'll show you the place as well in this video. Wow. I think the sun is rising, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, lights. Those lights, that is the sun rising. Since it's a mountain area, you won't be able to see the actual sun till pretty late, because we are in a high altitude and all these mountains are covered. I mean, they are covering the view of the sun, but it's still bright and shiny. Really excited, guys. And yeah, I just saw a couple of monkeys running along the road.
सर आगे बोलो ना क्रॉसिंग पे है
सामान टैक्सी के लिए संपर्क करें शिमला सिटी मॉल रोड अरकंडा कुपरी होटल ड्रॉप होटल मार्केट
So I got my bag and it's time to go and get the taxi. We have a taxi operators union. There is a bus stop where we have stopped. Let's see what is the price of the taxi and all that.
खन्ना भाई गोविंद आ गया है कहाँ जाना है सर में
वो गोलियोगंज
बालूगंज
बालूगंज
जाना है 150 है सर
150 ठीक है भाई
बालूगंज कहाँ जाना है
वहाँ पे शिमला राइडर करके एक
अच्छा शिमला राइडर
बाइकर है सर बाइकर
या राइट
नो इशू कोई इशू
गोपाल मंदिर से आगे ना
अनाडेल का कितना है अरे इसको बताया अनाडेल ये साहब ने कहाँ जाना बालूगंज
300 रुपया
अनाडेल 300 है